So now in this short lecture, we're going to learn how can we download R and also download RStudio. So I've went ahead and I'm already on Google. So if you go to Google Chrome and you type in R download and this first link that you're going to click on to download R. So if you click on here and you go to download R 4.2.2 is the version of R that we are going to use here, and we are going to use Windows. And if you click there, you should see this exe file starting to download. So now we're going to go to this file that we downloaded for R. And then we want to allow this app to make changes to our device. And then we're going to click on yes. And then we're going to select OK. And then we're going to click on next. And then we click on next. And we also going to leave everything as default. And we're going to say accept default. And we also want to create a desktop shortcut. So we're going to click on next. And installation will start. And then we are going to go on and click finish. We have now set up and installed R for Windows 4.2.2 on our computer. So on your computer in this case. So after downloading R, we want to download RStudio. And you can type download RStudio on Google Chrome, and we're gonna follow this first link. Okay, and then we are going to step 2. We have downloaded R, so now we download RStudio. So in this case, we are using Windows, and you click on download RStudio desktop for Windows and wait for that exe file to download. So now after the download of RStudio, we are going to go to this file and we want to allow this to make changes. So now to set up RStudio, we're going to click on next, and we're also going to click on next and click on install, and we are now installing RStudio. I'm going to fast forward to the point where this has finished. So now RStudio has been installed, and we're going to click on finish.